Here we are on a website of Tubebuddy. Here will show up to install the extension. I already installed it, so I don't have to do that right now. When you install that, you can connect that to your YouTube channel or Keyword Explorer. Here you can type keywords for your YouTube video. For example, Tubebuddy. Here you can see results. Here are unweighted results and weighted. Weighted results are they're considering your YouTube channel and is calculating from that results. So here you see for that specific keyword, you can see search volume. Red is not so good. Competition for that keyword, it's not so good. Optimization strength, it's okay. And here you can see videos in search results. There are over 1 million. And monthly searches for that keyword, 280. That's small. See here you can see other keywords that the Tubebuddy tool is suggesting you, and you can check that out. Okay, that's Keyword Explorer. If you decide to upgrade your accounts to Pro or Star or Legend, I will give you bonuses. You just need to email me if you upgraded with a receipt, and I will send you. The bonuses are YouTube Authority book. It's a good complementary product. It will teach you how to rank higher in a YouTube search engines. And ClickBank. This book will teach you how to properly do affiliate marketing with ClickBank products. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.